and I will retire with the crown. Yes.
Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to be filming a day in my life. It's going to be very productive. I already have a set plan of everything I'm going to do today, even though 9 times out of 10 it's not going to go like that. I'm just going to go get ready first and then I'll explain further because I kind of look a mess right now, as you can see. I honestly don't know. So I just realized that there's a huge pimple right here. It's very disturbing. Okay, I definitely feel a lot more presentable at the moment, so I am about to get dressed. I'll probably grab me a little fruit bar. Oh my god, do you guys see the pimple? Anyways, I'm gonna go grab my grandmother. In the last video, if you saw, I got my grandmother because she just loves to help with moving stuff. She just loves to help the kid with moving, and hello, I'm not gonna turn it down. So I'm gonna go pick her up and then we're gonna go to IKEA. So I'm gonna get dressed and everything and I'll see you guys then. Also, if you haven't seen the last video where I was moving in and my granny helped me with that, make sure you go watch it, like, comment, subscribe, all of that. I'll link it or I'll just put it in the eye up here. Yeah, I'll see you guys then. IKEA.
It's done.
Got my granny pushing everything.
And you see my shirt?
What? Thou shall not try me?
Right.
Who gonna try you in IKEA, granny?
Nobody. What a wonderful world.
So we're on trip number 2. This is our second basket of boxes, but we figured it would still fit. So we're gonna go and purchase these now. So everything fit in the car, surprisingly. So right now I'm in the car waiting on my granny. She's in Dollar Tree. I really wanted to go, but honestly, me and Dollar Tree, it's like my best friend, and I feel like if I would have went in, I probably would have spent more money than I needed to. So I'm just trying to keep it cute and stay in the car. But I'm really surprised all the stuff got in my car. I don't know if I was born yesterday or something, but I didn't even know that my seats in my car could let down. I have a Nissan Versa. I've never done it before. So we're gonna unload the car and then we're going to go to Walmart so I can get the TV. So I just got home. I actually got a big old TV to go on the TV stand. This is part of the dining room table, and I think this is a part of the dining room table. That goes with the TV stand. Other TV stand part is over here, and then here is the coffee table. So we're about to start building that now. Also, I forgot to show you guys in the last vlog that I put together this shelf with my friend Maya. So here's our finished product. It took us, what, 5 hours?
About 5 hours.
About 5 hours.
But hey, we got it done though.
Yeah, it's really cute too. And also it shows the plug.
Oh, it does?
Yes, I can do like a light up thing right there. Girl, it's gonna be so cute. Oh my god.
Good job, good job, good job, good job.
Alright guys, so I'm about to start putting the furniture together. I really hope this goes better than the last time I tried to put furniture together. I've come to realize I'm really not hardware gifted. Praying that the instructions are very simple and to the point and have words. Bought this toolkit to help me get started. Also, my granny's gonna help me. Hours later, and we've gotten the coffee table put together. Haven't done the TV stand yet, but we did get the table put together. I will show you guys when it's done, but we gotta put up all these boxes and take them to the trash. So far I have the dining room table done, the coffee table I showed you guys. The TV stand isn't done and I'm so tired, honestly. Like, I just finished dropping my grandmother off. I'm gonna make me some food and I'm gonna look online to see if I can order some chairs, but I don't think I'm gonna be putting anything else together today, so I'll be able to do it tomorrow because right now I'm so exhausted. So I think I'll get to that tomorrow.
Most of me.
Okay guys, so it's day number 2. I know this is supposed to be a day in my life, but I really wanted to finish my living room. Well, not finish it, but at least get the furniture put up and everything, you know? So because of Corona, half of my friends are in panic mode and don't want to come over and help, and then the other half, they're just like, they suck. I'm just playing. I already had my closest friend Maya help me with the bookshelf, so I don't really want to bother her. My brother is being a butthole and he doesn't want to come and help me do my TV stand until later, and I gotta get things done like now in the morning. I'm an early person. I like to get things done. I have no choice but to put this TV stand together by myself today. So that's what I'm about to do. Also, I'm looking very bummy right now. My hair is not done. I have on a shirt that literally said, I'm lazy. How accurate is that? If that's not enough for you, it literally says it on the back too. All right guys, let's get it started in here. That's why I need help. Oh my gosh, it is so heavy. These are pieces of other things that I forgot to add to other pieces of furniture. Does that even make sense? So after careful consideration and opening the first box of furniture, I've decided that me doing this by myself isn't a good idea. So I brought my friend Kalia and she's here to help me, but I'm pretty sure none of us know.
I don't know how to do anything at all.
But I feel like us doing it together would be better than me doing it by myself.
Are they labeled or like
No, but I was like
figure it out?
Putting them together because some of them like look. I'm so excited to finally have somewhere to like sit down and eat and watch TV. Oh girl,
What is that? Is that a
bippity boppity. Wait, where did the instructions go?
the pictures?
Yeah, the picture.
Step 1, get 3 shits and put it together.
Oh, I guess that's the outside of the shelf. Yeah.
1 5 1 3.
They don't have numbers
Whoa,
on
that
them.
I just messed all those numbers up. 1 1 5.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
All right. I love you, sis.
Love you too. Okay, I have my TV on. The TV stand is built. The coffee table is literally directly across from it and it lines up perfectly with the couch. You guys, it is literally coming together and I'm so proud of myself because literally I'm 19. Like, all of this is all me. I have the cutest little setting on my TV. It's like pink and it matches perfectly. Okay, not perfectly, but it's still cute. I don't have any decorations yet, but I want to get like candles, all of that. Pretty decorations for the table, like a little tray. Obviously, I have to fill up that bookshelf. The dining room table is here. I'm gonna order some pink chairs. They're just not here yet, but here it is. But you guys, it is so cute. I'm so proud. I'm just honestly excited to literally sit down and eat dinner tonight and be able to watch TV sitting down and have a table in front of me. You know what I mean? Like, that's what's been missing this whole time. I've literally been sitting in my bedroom on the floor every day and I've been here for about a month now, so it's still coming together, you guys, but I think I've done a pretty damn good job so far. So I'm just gonna bring this video to an end. Thank you for watching this. I don't know if this was boring or entertaining for you guys, but if you did like it, make sure you give this video a like and a thumbs up. Wow, those are literally the same things. Make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications. I will be posting weekly, maybe even more than that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.